Leadpages makes it easy to create fast, attractive landing pages that convert. But if you've ever tried to create a multi-step form in Leadpages, you'll know it's just not possible with their builder. Fortunately, Growform makes it simple to create high-converting multi-step forms that can sit directly in Leadpages, working seamlessly together. Your users will see an interactive, well-designed form that looks and feels just like the surrounding Leadpages page, with an end result that looks a little something like this. My name's Colin and welcome to another tutorial designed to make your life easier, removing all of the hard graft and fruitless Google searching you would otherwise be doing right now. Without further ado, let's get into how you can create a multi-step form in Leadpages. Okay, as usual, this tutorial has timestamps throughout if you want to skip ahead. But first things first, as mentioned, we're going to use Growform for this tutorial. If you're new to this, Growform is a popular form builder of choice for businesses and individuals around the world because it's been designed to help get you more leads from the same traffic. There are tons of great features, some of which I will show you throughout this video, and best of all, to access them you can sign up for a 14-day free trial and you can test it all out for yourself, no credit card required. The link for that free trial is in the description. Alright, so you've signed up to Growform and you're on the homepage. From there, to get started, click on Create New Form, that's at the top left, to start building our multi-step form for Leadpages. Next, it's really up to you. You can choose one of these templates or start from scratch. But as you can see, Growform offers a wide variety of pre-built form templates to help you get going. So for today's purposes, we are going to select the template that best fits our needs. We can edit this later on, but as you can see, we're already in a great position. And now it's time to customize, another one of Growform's strengths. In the top left corner, we'll start there. We can use the drop-down menu to add some steps, reorder them, even add some conditional logic if we want. On the right hand side, I can use the theme settings to ensure the design and the colors match our brand, which from experience will make marketing colleagues very happy. Once you're fully satisfied, we can make your multi-step form go live in Growform by clicking Save, which you will see in the top corner. Of course, you can keep playing around with all of this to your heart's content, but I'm certainly ready, so let's head to the next step. Form has been created. Well done. Now it's time to link it to Leadpages. The easiest way to do that is by grabbing our embed code. So if you're still on Growform, this is where you're going. Click on Share Form at the very top. From here, you're going to want to head to the very first option, which is entitled Embed Growform directly onto your website with an HTML snippet. Catchy. If you click on this, you'll see a little code appears, and this is what we need. We're simply going to copy that code to your clipboard and move on to the next step. With our code in hand, it's time to add this multi-step form to Leadpages. If you've got an account, great, log yourself in and stand by. If you're yet to, Leadpages does offer a 14-day free trial, but you will need to hand over your credit card first. I had to. If you're comfortable with that, go ahead and sign up, and then we'll continue. Once you're on your chosen page in Leadpages, you'll want to delete any existing forms that might already be on the page because, well, we're about to replace it with our new one. Here is my page, particularly apt seeing as it is Halloween today. We're feeling very spooky. Alright, so you're in the design editor in Leadpages. Click on Widgets on the left-hand side and find HTML. It is on the main grouping for me here, but if you're not seeing it, click on Show More and it will appear. Now drag this HTML widget to wherever on the page you would like your form to show. Then, clicking on the HTML widget will bring up the editing area for your HTML. Paste in the code you copied from step 2 and then hit Save. One final pointer here about the technical stuff. Growform takes up 100% of the width available to it. So if your form is too narrow, it's because your template has too much padding. To adjust this, head to Layout and Leadpages and adjust the padding options for the area around your form. If you are really stuck with this, please leave a comment and we will help you out. Now, depending on the template you've chosen, your form will likely look a little something like this. We're nearly there. All we need now is a final few tweaks to get this multi-step form looking absolutely perfect. So if you jump back into Growform and over to our theme settings on the right, we can set the parent container background to color and choose a background color that matches the one in Leadpages. We could also remove any headers or instructions at the top of our Growform form. Of course, we can always add these to the space above in Leadpages itself. And of course, we can adjust our form's primary color, which also affects progress bars and accents, as well as the whole range of other color settings that you can find in Growform. Once again, play with this until you're satisfied, and always remember to hit save, because I've been a victim of the forget to save button many times. Alright, I'm assuming your form is complete. There is one final step. You've got to check that it works. To do that, complete your form as if you were any other regular user, and that will look something like this. Then, to ensure that this submission has indeed arrived successfully, we're going to head back to Growform to check. Click on View Leads, and booyah! Just like that, we can see our form is working perfectly. Very nice. So with all that completed, you have successfully created a multi-step form in Leadpages. But you may be asking, what happens to all those leads? Well, as I've just demonstrated, because the form was created with Growform, that is where they will appear. However, you can also ensure they're sent directly to you as an email. To do that, head to Settings, followed by Alerts and Integrations, and then add an integration. You can simply add your email address here and then hit Save. You may also wish to use Zapier to route your leads to any of 300 plus destinations like a CRM or a lead distribution tool. Zapier, you can imagine it as a digital glue that holds thousands of third-party systems all together, and it's got a Growform integration to make the flow of leads to CRM a smooth one. They also have a generous free plan to get you started. There's a link to the guide on using Zapier in the description of this video. So many freebies and free trials going on today. And there you have it, friends. You have learned how to create a multi-step form in Leadpages. I trust you are now armed with the skills you need, but if there is anything still unclear or needing clarified, that is exactly what the comment section is for writing words in it. So please empty your restless brain all over the keyboard. If, however, you have found this video as useful as it was intended to be, do me a favor, hit those like and subscribe buttons. We're getting ever closer to that magical 100. Anyway, enough from me. I'm out guising tonight. Have fun out there, and I'll see you again very soon. I'm kidding. I'm way too old for guising. Well.